Hey, I'm going to show you how to set up a master board. If you're using your BigPick digital kit and you've got a session coming up, you want to do some preparation, I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to go into the dashboard now. So this is the place where you organize your boards. I'm going to create a board. So I'm just going to call it test, create board. So this is the first session coming up. I've got a few boards in my place. This is where I would go to share the board, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm just going to go back and into the board itself. And what I would do is I'll just zoom out in that bottom left. And then if you pull the resources drawer out on the left, you just drag on this box here. You can put the resources drawer back. You can see you've got a little ball or circle on the bottom right of each box, and you can use that to resize. You then double click there and you just type in, normally this is called operations. If you want to copy the title that we call it, but let's say you wanted to call it something different like delivery, then you could call out whatever you want. You can then bring on the customer journey line. You can set that up. What I often do is something like this. I would bring on 2 customers, might bring on a team symbol just to get people going, and then I would just set it up like this. And this is a pretty standard setup for any session, but obviously you can tailor it for what you want, so you could zoom in and out, etc. And then what you would do is you go back to your dashboard. You can then go into your settings here. And then this is where, if you call that the master and changed its name, you could then copy that board here. What it would do is copy everything on that board, and it would then take it over to the new name plus the sharers, whoever you've got on there. And basically that's how it works. So it's a really quick way of, if you've got multiple groups working, you can set up a master board, which is your approach to something. You can keep that as a master, replicate it, share it with different groups. So you got the equivalent of breakout groups in effect, using boards, and then you can master your own work within the dashboard. So I hope that's helpful.